fucking crazy. You could start the boat up if you put the outdrive down. My boat was in there. Fucking water's at the running board on this fucking lifted truck. But got everything the fuck out of there, baby. So this is when Florida goes underwater here because everything's flooded right now. It's kind of scary. I just had to save my boat from a flood zone and save my friend's car from a flood zone, and I am soaked. And then you got these people that can't get through this flooded road. I'm gonna go for it. Whee!